doing?
Hey, hey, hey. Today we're going to do Water War, which is the card game war with water. Because this is already on a different video. Why is it so windy all of a sudden? But basically, we draw from one of our stacks. Whoever has the highest gets down a cup of water on the other. Woo-hoo! If there's time, whoever wins the match, still a water balloon is blown away. But whoever wins gets the door, dumps this whole ice cream bucket on the other. No! She's already running away. Get back here! I can't just do this by myself. I'm just gonna get my towel first. What you got me? She's what? Hey! Okay, so
if this would happen, I would have come up at all.
well, you love me, and
I do.
okay, let's do this and hope balloons aren't everywhere. Okay. Okay. So, ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, I win! Oh my God, that's cold! Ready? 1, 2. Joyce, hush up. I promise I'm not cheating. Oh my God! No! Come on! No, don't take your butt. That's so gross. I don't like this game. I love it. No. Quit screaming, quit screaming. I'm gonna splash this on your ass. Oh, now you're just swaying. Oh, jeez. I'm sitting down. Yes, I'm sitting here. What? What the fuck? I keep with. Oh my God, she's so mad at me. Ready? How refreshing! Did I mention it's April? Okay, it is April. Ready? How are you ready? Really? No! Yeah!
I'm enjoying this. I'm going to wrap up.
I told you. It's really fun. These cards. Probably. Okay, ready? Which card? Yes! Oh, shit. Come here! That means I win! Come here! Come right here! Come get the camera here!
That was actually warm.
Yeah, I made your one warm. Okay, what the heck? I want to use this. No, really cold! Thanks for watching, I guess, you bitch. Thank you.